Nurses are the backbone of healthcare, but the pandemic has left many facing burnout and career uncertainty. Health Carousel is stepping up now to tackle these challenges, from solving the global nursing shortage to supporting nurses' career growth. And joining us today is John Sebastian, CEO of Health Carousel, to share how his company is making a difference to highlight the recent Nursing Careers Week. And welcome to you, John.
Thank you.
So glad to have you here. Tell us, for people who are maybe not familiar with Health Carousel, what is Health Carousel and its mission?
Sure. Health Carousel is the global leader in placing nurses and other healthcare professionals in facilities across the United States.
Okay.
Our mission is to make sure that every patient has access to a healthcare professional when and where they need it. And part of how we do that is to encourage the next generation of nurses to be engaged and develop their careers.
Yeah, and Health Carousel, from what I understand, has a unique approach to healthcare staffing. What sets your company apart?
We just celebrated 20 years, and to date, we've improved the lives of over 13 million patients. What also sets us apart is the investment that we make in our healthcare professionals' careers. We have innovative programs like career coaching, work study, clinical ladder for professional development, and our full circle of support that ensures we support their personal and financial well-being, that enables us to invest in the careers of our healthcare professionals.
And that is so important. Why do you make it such a priority to do that?
Well, it's more important than ever that we keep more of the nurses by the bedside. As I'm sure you're aware, the shortage of nurses has been around for a while, but it's been exacerbated by the pandemic and the aging of the population. So, we see it as our obligation to help to engage nurses in all of their career options. And that's a big part of what we recently celebrated, which is Nursing Careers Week.
Yeah, let's talk a little bit about that. Why is it so important to celebrate our nurses?
Well, first, what's exciting about being a nurse is how many career options they have, and we consider it part of our obligation to ensure that we educate and engage nurses in all of their career options and what's happening in the nursing profession now and what can happen in the future. So,
John, what can communities do to support nurses?
Well, I think there's two important things that we can do. First is advocate for the nursing profession. The nursing profession has so many wonderful career options, and companies like Health Carousel do things to help ensure that nurses are educated in all of their career options and supported. So first is advocate for it. Right. The second is thank a nurse. Anyone that's had a loved one in the hospital knows the impact that a nurse has on your healthcare experience, and thanking a nurse goes a long way in helping them understand that they're appreciated and what they do makes a difference.
So, John, you recently celebrated Nursing Careers Week. Tell us about that and why it's so important to celebrate our nurses.
Sure. As part of our mission, we see it as vital to educate our nurses in their career options and to engage them in the nursing profession. So recently we partnered with organizations like the Daisy Foundation and Operation Happy Nurse to create an event called Nursing Careers Week. During this week, we had nearly 5,000 nurses from around the world participating, and we're looking forward to making Nursing Careers Week next year in 2025 even bigger.
Yeah, and I'm sure they appreciated that so much too. So if we want to learn more about Health Carousel, where can we go?
Sure. Please go to healthcarousel.com and you can learn more about our vision and our mission to improve the lives of patients and make healthcare work better. And be on the lookout next year for Nursing Careers Week, the second week of November, where we can celebrate and engage nurses in all their career options and why the nursing profession is such a wonderful place to work.
It really is, and so important. I've worked in healthcare before, so I know all about that.
That's great.
John, thanks so much for being here and joining us today. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much.